Good morning and welcome to your Monday market update for April 13, 2026. The mood across Wall Street this morning is decidedly mixed. Tech is pulling markets higher. But not everything is along for the ride. Let's break it all down. Starting with the major indices. The S&P 500 is up 0.4%. Sitting at 682.28. The Nasdaq is leading the charge, climbing more than 0.5% to 614.53. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones is barely budging, up just 0.4% at 479.43. So large cap tech is doing the heavy lifting today while the broader market treads water. Now let's talk about the Magnificent Seven movers. Microsoft is today's big winner, surging nearly 3% to $381.82. That is a serious move for a stock of that size. Tesla is also having a strong morning, up 1.5% trading at $354.25. Alphabet is in the green as well, gaining 0.7% to $319.52. On the flip side, Apple is slipping just over 1%. Trading down to $257.76. And Nvidia is essentially flat, dipping 0.2% to $188.20. A clear split within the mega caps today. Turning to commodities. And this is where things get really interesting. Oil is surging. West Texas Intermediate is up nearly 4%, jumping to $129.59 a barrel. That is a significant spike. The catalyst appears tied to rising geopolitical tensions. Reports of failed peace talks between the US and Iran are rattling energy markets. Business Insider is reporting on what analysts believe those collapsed negotiations mean for the broader market outlook. That's a headline worth watching closely this week. Meanwhile, precious metals are pulling back. Gold is down about 0.3% to $435.88. Silver is dropping more than 1% to $68.37. Money is rotating away from safe havens and into risk assets this morning. In the crypto space, Bitcoin is rallying more than 2%, trading at $72,454. Ethereum is keeping pace, up nearly 2% at $22.36. Both are catching a nice bid to start the week. On the Forex front, we don't have fresh reads on the major pairs this morning. We're watching for updates on euro dollar, pound dollar, and dollar yen as liquidity picks up through the session. A couple more headlines catching our eye. YouTube Premium is once again raising prices. And 9 to 5 Google is calling it the only streaming service that can actually get away with it. That speaks to the pricing power these major tech platforms continue to hold. So here's your big picture takeaway. Tech strength is propping up the indices while oil surges on geopolitical fears. It's a push and pull morning. Keep an eye on crude oil and those US-Iran developments. If tensions escalate further, energy prices could drag on consumer sentiment. Also watch Microsoft's momentum and whether that nearly 3% gain holds into the close. This week could set the tone for the rest of April. That's your morning update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.